Hello students, in this video we will discuss about 30 questions related to level of prevention. The first question is concept of prevention of chronic disease is included into primordial prevention. Second is at what level of prevention activities are done to stop the progress of disease in initial stage. So into the secondary prevention the activities are performed to stop the progress of disease. The third question is intervention under secondary prevention are early diagnosis, treatment and referral. Next question is advising a patient to avoid smoking is an example of primordial prevention. In which level of prevention the main focus is on avoiding occurrence of disease in an individual, primary prevention. Immunization is included in which level of prevention, primary prevention. At what level of prevention activities are done to reduce disability at tertiary level. Administration of vitamin A in a newborn is at what level of prevention, primary prevention. The purpose is to limit the incidence of disease by controlling the causes and risk factor is primary prevention. Use of seat belts and wearing the helmet during driving is included into primary prevention. Mammograph done for breast cancer is at what level of prevention? Secondary prevention. Sport help groups are at what level of prevention? At tertiary prevention. Actions that are aimed to eradicate, eliminate or minimize the impact of disease and disability is called prevention. So how many levels of prevention of a disease? 4 levels: primordial, primary, secondary and tertiary. The main interventions at primordial level are individual education and mass education. Action taken prior to onset of disease is primary prevention. Primary prevention works at what phase of disease cycle? Pre-pathogenesis phase. Main intervention into primary prevention are health promotion and specific protection. According to WHO, the approaches for primary prevention are population strategy or mass strategy and high risk strategy. A preventive measure which brings much benefit to the population often offers little to each participating individual is called prevention paradox. Action that halt the progress of disease at the incipient stage and prevents complication is secondary prevention. At what phase of disease cycle does secondary prevention work? Pathogenesis phase. Action taken to prevent when the disease process is in advanced stage beyond the early stages is tertiary prevention. Main intervention into the tertiary prevention are disability limitation and rehabilitation. Any loss or abnormality of psychological, physiological or anatomical structure or function is called impairment. Any restriction or lack of ability to perform an activity in a manner or within a range of considered normal for a human being is termed as disability. A disadvantage for a given individual resulting from an impairment or a disability that limits or prevents the fulfillment of a role in the community that is normal according to age, sex, social and cultural factor for the individual is called handicap. The process to detect the disorder or the risk factor into the people in which they are unaware is called screening. Pap smear test is at what level of prevention? Secondary level. So these are the 30 questions related to level of prevention. The topic that is level of prevention, the link will be given into the description box. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe.